Hertog Nissan is pleased to be currently offering this 2008 Nissan Altima 2.5S with 74,193 miles. This 2008 Nissan Altima has such low mileage you'll probably think of them more as blocks traveled than miles traveled. The Altima 2.5S will provide you with everything you have always wanted in a car: quality, reliability, and character. This is about the time when you're saying it is too good to be true, and let us be the ones to tell you, it is absolutely true. More information about the 2008 Nissan Altima, with styling that bears some resemblance to the much more expensive Infiniti G37 Coupe. The new 2008 Nissan Altima Coupe ranks as one of the most distinctive mid-size two-doors, with a sportier character than competitors like the Toyota Solara and Chrysler Sebring. The Altima sedan also stands out in the crowd in terms of design. Inside and out it's offered in more color and interior combinations than is typical. Its engines are among the most powerful in its class, and it has one of the best compromises of sharp handling and comfortable ride. This model sets itself apart with unique interior, well-balanced ride and handling, fuel economy, 4-cylinder, powerful engines, and stylish new coupe body style.